In this video, you'll learn how to add people to a Google Drive folder so you can easily share files and collaborate with others, whether you're working on a school project, a team assignment, or just organizing files with friends or family. Knowing how to properly share a folder will save you a lot of time and confusion. I'll walk through each step slowly and clearly, and along the way, I'll explain what each option actually does so you know exactly what you're sharing and with whom. First, open Google Drive. You can do this by going to the Google Drive website in your browser and signing in with your Google account. Make sure you're using the account that owns the folder you want to share, or that at least has access to it, otherwise you won't be able to change its sharing settings. Once you're signed in, you'll see your list of files and folders. Next, locate the folder you want to share. You might see it right away in My Drive, or you may need to look inside other folders if you've already organized your files. You can also use the search bar at the top to type the folder's name if you have a lot of content and don't want to scroll. Once you've found the folder, move your mouse over it. Now, right-click the folder. On most computers, that means clicking with the right mouse button or using a two-finger click on a trackpad. This will open a context menu with several options related to that folder. Look for the option that says Share and click it. When you click Share, a sharing window will pop up. This is where you control who can access the folder and what they're allowed to do. In this window, you'll see a field where you can enter email addresses. Click inside that field, then type the email addresses of the people you want to add. You can add one person at a time or multiple people at once by separating their email addresses with commas. Be sure the addresses are correct because whoever you add here will receive access to everything inside that folder. After entering the email addresses, you need to choose a permission level for each person or group. To do this, look for the drop-down menu next to their name or email. You'll see options such as Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Viewer means they can only see the files without making changes. Commenter allows them to view and leave comments where that's supported, but not edit the actual files. Editor gives full control to change, move, or even delete content inside the folder, so only use this level with people you fully trust. Take a moment to think about what each person actually needs to do and choose the most appropriate level rather than automatically giving everyone full editing rights. Once you've set the permissions the way you want them, you're ready for the final step. Click the Send button. This will send an email invitation to each person you added, letting them know they've been given access to the folder. They can click the link in that email to open the folder directly in Google Drive. And that's it. You've opened Google Drive, found your folder, shared it with specific people, chosen the right permission levels, and sent the invitations. Now everyone you've added will be able to access the folder based on the settings you chose, making it much easier to work together and keep everything in one place.